Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll find the slope of a line segment. As per the problem, calculate the slope of line segment joining the points 2, -3 and -5, 4. We can find the slope of this line segment using the slope formula. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x1, x2, y1 and y2 are coordinates of points that lie on the line segment. In this problem, we are given the points 2, -3 and -5, 4. We can label one of these points as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. We can label either of these points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. The final answer will be the same. Next, we can sub in these values in the slope formula. y2 is equal to 4, y1 is -3, x2 is -5, x1 is 2. Now we can simplify this expression. In the numerator, 4 minus -3 is equal to 7 because minus -3 is equivalent to plus 3. In the denominator, -5 minus 2 is equal to -7. Next, we can reduce this fraction. 7 over -7 is equal to -1. This is the value of slope of this line segment. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.